Okay. So now you know this data modeling thing. Now I'm telling within data modeling, we have something called dimension data modeling. What do you mean dimension data modeling is nothing but this is where every data warehousing project will be going, okay, and implementing like dimensions and facts. Arjun, what do you mean dimension? What do you mean fact? What do you mean fact is nothing but, okay, it's a simple thing. Just go back and see here. Go back and see here. Okay, what is this one? If you just go back and see what is this one, let's say I have one shop. I have one shop. Or this is what your retail or Flipkart, Amazon. They wanted to store the data. You created a table like this. What is this table? Order ID, order date, customer ID, customer name, region, product ID, product name, category, unit price, quantity. Like that, they need this data. This data they wanted to store. This data, as part of dimension modeling, they will not be storing data like this, or will not be storing data like this. Based upon this one, we will be creating what? Different dimensions, different fact. Arjun, what does that mean? What do we dimension? Dimension is nothing but here if you see dim customer is called one dimension. So here you're having what? Customer ID, customer name, correct? So customer ID, customer name, customer ID, customer name. Okay. These details will be there and will be given something called key. Something called what? Key. Customer ID key. Customer ID key. And region key, you would leave it. Same way, how many regions are there? That regions will be kept a separate table called dim region. What all products you will be selling? That will be kept a separate table called dim product. Dim product. No, each one will be done what? Some purchase date will be there. So that will be what? Dim date. Dim date. Like that, the data, okay, for which actual transaction will be happening. That will all be separating as what? Dimension. Arjun, what does it mean? Like if someone has to buy one item, means what? That guy will be customer. That guy will be customer. This customer may be buying n number of products, on different dates, different dates. Okay, that is what actual business, actual business. Okay, so that actual business one we will not be keeping like this. The actual business, whatever it is happening, the truth of the business, okay, or fact of the business, or numbers which came out of the business as part of the business, that will be stored as a fact one. In a fact, we'll be having only keys, only keys. In the dimension, okay, that names will be there. That names, descriptive messages and all will be there here. Descriptive names or descriptions will be there. But here could be there only what? IDs. This we called as a dimensions. This we call as a fact. Fact means what? In order, date key, customer key, it will be there one. Product key, it will be there with one. Region, it will be there with one. Okay. Quantity is a different thing. Okay. Maybe I can give the region also, but region is linked here. Okay. Instead of this one, I can keep what? Date key. Yeah. Instead of this date, I'm keeping what? Date key. So instead of repeating that this data, we'll create different dimensions and we'll keep a link. Hey, Arjun, this is called primary key, foreign key relationship, right? Yes. This is a primary key, foreign key relationship only. Here it will be primary key. Here it will be what? Foreign key. Okay, sorry. Here it will be what? Foreign key. Here it will be what? Primary key. Here it will be foreign key. But if you go in data warehousing terminologies, this we will call as what? Dimensions. And this we call as what? Fact table. This we call as what? Fact table, which will be linked through what? Primary key, foreign key relationships. It will be connected and the link will be established. Hope you understood about what? Dimension and fact. This is clear.